This video explores how AI is transforming the transportation industry. It covers topics such as autonomous vehicles, traffic management systems, predictive maintenance, logistics, and supply chain management. The video provides an overview of how AI is being used in these areas and highlights some of the benefits that AI can bring to the transportation industry. 1. Autonomous vehicles. AI is powering self-driving vehicles, which could help reduce the amount of traffic accidents. Autonomous vehicles are being developed and tested by a number of manufacturers across the globe, including Waymo, Tesla, and BMW. Using a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI, the technology will be able to take people between destinations without the need for a driver. Car manufacturers use artificial intelligence in just about every facet of the car-making process. Examples of AI in the automotive industry include industrial robots constructing a vehicle and autonomous cars navigating traffic with machine learning and vision. 2. Traffic management systems. AI is used in road traffic management to help analyze real-time data from various means of transportation, including cars, buses, and trains. The AI analyzes this information for patterns that could indicate safety risks. An AI traffic management system can provide greater leeway to the self-driving vehicles, as they can then be directed and controlled more by the external environment. Artificial intelligence-based traffic management systems usually collect and analyze traffic data and patterns to provide solutions for traffic control. In an AI traffic management system, data is captured and processed on the edge and then sent to the cloud for additional processing. In the cloud, the historical traffic data is used to model flow dynamics. An AI optimizer then runs simulations to create an optimized traffic control plan. 3. How AI is used in predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance involves using data to identify when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for repairs to be made before a breakdown occurs. AI-enabled predictive maintenance allows owners to make repair choices based on the vehicle's current condition, not on pre-scheduled time intervals. It is not surprising that predictive maintenance is gaining popularity in the transportation industry. AI-driven predictive maintenance promises considerable benefits for various sectors of transportation industry, such as greater availability, improved safety levels, decreased costs associated with components replacements, fewer unscheduled stoppages, all resulting in maximum utilization of available resources, improving customer service satisfaction at the same time. 3. Logistics and supply management. Artificial intelligence (AI) applications are pervading logistics and supply chain management. The widespread availability of data, combined with sustained improvements in computing power, provides new opportunities to improve supply chain decision-making. AI can help supply chain professionals increase efficiency, reduce worker shortage, predict demand, optimize sales, and improve sustainability. AI applications can be found in various sectors of the supply chain, from manufacturing to delivery. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like and subscribe button for more videos with AI.